All right, Evolution people, we are doing our first official unboxing. We've got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 because the old Tab finally decided to kick the bucket. First impressions, box is super nice. I mean, it's black, so obviously it's got to be classy. Haven't busted the seals or anything. Give y'all that thrill of opening some new tech. And true story, I actually ironed these sheets before this video. See if I can do this solo-handed. I've seen a lot of unboxing videos, more than I'm willing to admit to. I mean, I don't know how people do this just super easy, popping these tabs. I'm just gonna get my beautiful forearm in the video here. Alright, we're going old school. Let me grab something sharp. I forget how long we as a species have been using tools. What, a billion years, approximately? Nobody correct me on that. I would rather be wrong, because I'm from Arkansas and not a big fan of numbers in that state here. So obviously we're in beautiful Bossier City in Shreveport, Louisiana these days. Just want to see if we can't get a little slicey slice here. I don't think I actually cut anything. Let's just, let's go a little bit harder. I'm just gonna pause. Okay, I'm back. I definitely cheated. I went ahead and just used a knife to cut the tabs open here. Oh, and it says tabs 4, so that's a little bit of what you call that, humor. Check me out. I'm a poet and was not aware of that fact, and now I can't get this box off. I mean, it's an easy open. It's very well fitted, but apparently I'm not intelligent enough to operate a box. I am not your standard issue kitty. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, even the box is fancy. It's all velour-like inside. We got our Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 with nice, smooth wrap. Got a little tab, so it looks like I'm just going to pull on this bad boy here. Now, obviously, we got the product here. That's going to be the Coupe de Grace. Got a nice Samsung charger. Ooh, the much-vaunted pen. I'm actually excited for this because my last tab, for whatever reason, would not accept stylus input. So that is going to be handy and or dandy. Terms and conditions, warranty, how-to manual. Yeah, don't need that. Got a... I want to say that's a clip made of metal. I'm going to raise this up out of camera view because that's useful. I don't know, I'm sure the book there would tell me something about that. Let's see what's behind this. Yeah, we got nothing. So that's the box. Let's go ahead and unwrap a smile, I'm hoping here. Wait, is that a different product? I don't actually know. I don't know if that's trademarked or copyrighted. It'll probably get flagged if it is. Ooh, standalone decks. I don't know what that means. I could probably Google it. I'm not going to. Sometimes ignorance is bliss. Ooh, sticky. It's not even a euphemism. Alright. So we'll go ahead and slide this bad boy out. Ooh, it's shiny. It's got, hopefully it's got a cover on it. I think it does, because that's what that looks like. Oh, it's got like a rubberized grip. It's got a, that's useful. It's got a camera on the back. I don't know what I'm going to take a picture with a tablet, but hey. Whatever helps the CIA get a better view of me. Ooh, check that out. Black Mirror. I wonder if they should make a TV show that's really disturbing. Probably prescient about that little phenomena. Trademark 1995 LL Cool J. I'm going to try and be real careful here and not touch anything that's going to leave my big mugly fingerprints. Standard Samsung, so we're going to say that's the power button here. I tapped it, didn't work. Apparently it's a faulty unit. Let me go ahead and actually touch the button. Alright. Let y'all see the little start up here. Get out of the view of the light, because that's off-putting. No one likes that. We'll put the stylus near there. Ooh, look, it's got a nubby. We got a nubby. Check that out. We're living the high life now. And it's got a button. I presume that's some type of actuator for something. Hello. Oh, I have to input something here. Yeah, y'all don't need to see this. Give me. All right, we got terms and conditions here. We're back. Won't pretend like I read that I care about my privacy. Yeah, sure, whatever. Diagnostic probably means everything I've said. Yeah, I have. Let me air quotes this one real quick. Read what that is. Oop, oopsie. Okay, now here we go. My device is being registered. I presume that means my old tablet, which, like I said, it died, it kicked the bucket, and it no longer exists. Don't want to connect this device to an account for network service? Well, gosh darn it, yes I do. Do you want to switch this device from another device, or... I'm going to switch. All right, y'all don't need to see this.